To pin or not to pin? That's the question we are going to answer in this video. But first, do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And like it, share it with your colleagues as well, so they can benefit from my tips as well. So let's get into Microsoft Teams. Well, at this moment we have several chats, and what I want to do is I want to pin a chat. We could already save this message, which would end up in a savings list, but now we have the option to pin a message as well. So if we pin a message, we see that the message is pinned, and now we can click on it and it directly goes into a message. Now if I click on pin again, it only wants to replace. So you have the possibility to pin one message instead of several. So in this case I'm going to do this replacement, and it's per chat. So if for example I go to another chat and I would do this in a meeting, this is also possible. I can directly pin it as well. To remove a pin, you can do it by the three dots and then unpin the pin. So this is a new functionality. It's in the public preview at this moment, so it's coming to your clients as well. I wanted to share it, and I'm curious if you are going to use this functionality and how you are going to use it. Like and subscribe the video, follow me on YouTube, and please give a comment in the YouTube channel as well. Thank you in advance, and see you next time.